Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'll be talking about me upgrading my storage server. Currently it's on this sunny side up design Meshlicious case. However, this case just supports two 3.5-inch drives. I play games and I record game moments, and those things take up a lot of space. And it's not just that, as you guys know, you're watching this video means you know that I produce video content, and yes, they take up space too. Not to mention I also have footages of those usual with game recordings with numbers on top. They take up space, so it's time to upgrade this rig. Well, I could actually just change to high capacity drives, but why do I need to spend more? Unfortunately, when I looked through all my cases, I couldn't find that something that fits actually more than two drives, because I actually have more than two. I have additional over here. These are my WD greens, so I want to fit 4 drives, but what option do I have? Looking through my inventory of many cases, I've decided to go with the Silverstone Alta G1M, which happens to fit 4 drives. The Silverstone Alta G1M is the case of choice because of its size. It has a small footprint. Even though it's tall, overall it still takes up very little space compared to the usual tower case, and it supports MicroATX motherboard, of which I intend to use in that system, and in my configuration it will carry 4 drives. So this is what it is, and I'm happy to say that this configuration is satisfying. I've decided to put the ASRock RX 6600 Challenger into the system along with my Ryzen CPU, so that the system functions not only as a file storage, but it is also my alternative gaming rig that I'll be using it on my 40-inch 4K screen. So this is the full setup without the side panels and whatever panels. This is the side actually, and that is the front. So let me give you a rundown of the system, starting with the motherboard, which is the ASRock B550M Steel Legend. Cooler is the side Big Shuriken 3 with a fan replaced to an ID Cooling Slim, OCPC memory kits, total 16 gigs, then SFX power supply, a 650 watt model from FSP. The drives, first, second, third, fourth, all are WD drives, all green with the first one being red, and then that's the ASRock RX 6600 that I mentioned earlier, and the CPU AMD Ryzen 3 4350G, and that's pretty much it of the whole system, of which I've configured it to suit my intended usage. The Alta G1M is impressive that it can manage to hold the 4 3.5-inch drives with everything included, including the MicroATX motherboard, uses a SFX power supply, and very small footprint. Just exactly what I hope for my file storage and somewhat a gaming system, home entertainment system, whatever else it can do. So the system is not just a file server, it is a gaming system that I can use on my large screen for my personal entertainment. After all, I like to play games like Genshin Impact using controller, so I like to sit back and have a distance and enjoy the sight and sound. That aside, I also like to watch shows. I have a huge backlog of anime to watch, which explains, well, that system would be good for storing shows. That is only if I have time to watch. Well, with that said and done, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a random sharing of things I do day to day in my life as a tech content creator. Who knows, these topics might interest you, and who knows, you intend to set up a server like this, or you have intention to upgrade yours. Maybe this can give you some ideas. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.